I need to add fog noise. I will take another noise. First, I will merge on top of this grade. Sorry, on after the grade. Just as usual, keep this noise node as a input, so we can see the difference by disabling the merge node. Okay, this is very just. I am not adjusting any fancy values here. I'm just very nice. X size, X Y size more. Now, okay, the same thing we will apply here. How now? What this noise won't move, but the texture will move. I mean, that the rock will move, but noise won't move right now because we're not moving the noise. So what will happen? The same thing we need to do. I mean, I popped out this noise one, and in the transform, control click. I mean, drag the copy. Drag the animation links and paste to this noise fog noise transform value. Just now you can see that this fog also move. There is no 3D effect here, right? Just it's looking very flat. I will take another transform node. I will merge it, but what I will do, I will change this Z like this. Even now also that same transform values are there. So both noises are moving in the same with the same speed. I want different different speed. So what I will do in this noise 3, listen carefully. In this noise 3, click here, edit expression. Okay, this is like just divided by 2. Let's say divided by 2. That means we are decreasing the speed by half of the speed we are decreasing. Now let's see how it will move. It's slow, right? Just after merging both. See, now you can see that, I think so. You can feel it, right? 0.63 and like randomly we are distributing the values in the noise. If you are not satisfying, just add another noise node. Okay, and in this noise node, previously now the speed is half of the speed we decreased, right? So come to this noise node and edit expression, and I want to decrease 1.5, not 2, 1.5. Let's see, and adjust this. Okay, this noise random. Okay, yeah, like more depth. It's looking fine here, but yeah, okay. We need more, man. We need more. Okay, now Actually, something is wrong happening here. 0.575. And these speeds are same, I think, here. Two, right? So let's add 2.5. 2.5. Before color correction and after color correction. See the difference. So we adjusted the noise and we created like a fog. Very nice, man. It's like looking okay. Okay, not now. You now see the. Actually, we adjusted these values this much time, but it's looking the speed is same. But yeah, we don't want this one. See, with same speed it is stopping. I don't want this one. It's looking like the fog is attached, or the fog is on top of the land. No, I don't want this one. Just I want more speed. Okay. So in the transform, every transform value just add it to into 2. Okay. Okay, and make it fast into 2. I mean 2 times I'm increasing the speed into 2. Speed. Come on. Speed. Okay, now I think now we are adjusting. We are increasing the speed, man. I think it is. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now, actually, now we are seeing one error here. See this one. Can you guys observe here? See, this artifact is coming, right? We need to remove that one. We will check where it is coming. Okay. If you press the overlay off, I mean, if you press the Q, you can switch overlay on and off. So we can hide the these kind of handles and this dot that resolution or bounding box get. That's why just I am switching off the overlay and come to minus. See, yeah, in the minus we can see that. Yeah, now can you guys guess why this one is coming? Because in the x-axis it is moved offset. I mean, in the x-axis little bit moved 1 unit, and in y-axis a little bit moved 1 unit. So that's why we are getting. See here also it is moving up, right? That's why. See, of the bounding box is moved. So to avoid this, what we will do? Very simple. Very simple. After transform, see, after transform, see, you can see that here. See, before grade and after. I mean, before transform and after transform. So just okay, transform node on top of on for the transform. Sorry, for the noise node. Let's scale it very little bit, 1.1. It is, ah man, too much. 1.1. 0.1? 1.01? Yeah, enough. Yeah, just to extend that. But after transform here again, yeah, see now I think we got it. And now I will enable. No, yeah, man, we solved it. We solved it. Done. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, don't add any reformat after here. Format. Yeah, see, if you add the reformat again, it will come because it is deleting the pixels out of the transform node. Now see, if you see here, see it was extended till here. That means some information is there till this dot line. That means till this the values are extending it because we transformed, right? I mean, we scaled it. So here some noise pixels are there. Once if you are adding transform, it will delete all out of the pixels. Okay. Sorry, if you are adding the reformat node. So don't add the reformat node after the transform. In this case, not in all cases. Okay, just in this case, just I'm telling. Just delete the transform node. Sorry, reformat node. Okay, done. Now everything is completed, and finally add reformat and delete out of the pixels. I don't want to render out of the pixels. Okay, and then hit reformat node, and looking everything is fine. Okay, and press R. Okay, and my title, select the my title and open it. This one. See, yeah, done. Okay, yeah, done. It's done. It's done. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.